This is my Flickr website. So I just completed it this morning. This is that's my logo. Yeah, I have my search photos, yeah, my login, the sign up. This is the background image. I don't know how to make it flip, but if uh, I did it in such a way that if I refresh the page, it flips the image to others and then return back to the background image. Find your inspiration, join Flickr home, starts for free. I hovered it in such a way that it goes on and off with different colors. And my filter, I've hovered it to yellow. You can see a bit. Then I added the drop box to this English. Then my socials also hovered. And that is it. So this is briefly the code. Oh, close it. Okay, got this. Flickr clone. Make it full. So the Barodi Hotel. Okay, I need to close also this. So that we can see what I'm showing us. So this is how the HTML looks like. I have my navigation bar and all that. Okay, I also imported my logos, navigation bar with my logo and the search interface, and then I have my logins. So I put each and every one of them in a div to be able to control it better. Then I have my container. In this container, I introduce those right up at the middle of the image. So initially, I put the images here, but then I couldn't match it to flip, so I had to abandon it. So I had to comment on it. So this is the footer. This is the footer. So it's a simple design except for the background image that looks as if it's a bit beyond the scope of CSS. Maybe it requires some JavaScript. So you can say call the body and give it an opacity of 0.9. The nav bar, which has the logo with the logo image, the URLi plugins, in particular the anchor, and so this was it. So for my background image, I I was studying and I read somewhere where it says that I can um, make the background image and make it background cover and then introduce animation, which is if I do the image flip to 12 seconds, it can apportion each. Let's say I have four images, it can apportion 3 seconds to each image. So that was what I did here. But then it's not giving me the exact thing I needed. So after calling that, I now call keyframes, image flip. Well, it said can give it 0 and 100% background image. This will be the first background image, then this should be the second, the one you want it to be flipping at 50% every 3 seconds. So this is supposed to be the second one, flipping at 50% every 3 seconds. So just like that, but it is not doing exactly that. Um, so I don't know. I had to leave it at that. Um, okay, this section is for the write up in the middle of I have a H1, the introduce a paragraph. H3, I had to link it, and you I gave the button a hover, then the footer. I also gave the footer a hover. But there is something else I did in the search pan, like this, uh, the span, and the search icon in the span. So I did some things on it, giving it a position and all that. Then for my placeholder, that's the input where I have those people photo or more. I gave it different color. Then I just played around it. So let's look at the front end again. You can see yellow this dot. That's it. That's all.